Hey, what's up guys? It's Sean here with video number 29 out of 365, and today I just want to talk about another tip you guys can use in your life. Now, whenever you guys are dealing with a problem, let's say you're trying to lose weight, or you're trying to learn a new business marketing scheme, or you're trying to better your relationship or get closer to God, or all these things you want to do in life, there's a phase you go through. And this phase is called information gathering phase, where you spend the next 6 months, maybe even a year, of just gathering, reading all these different topics and just learning all sorts of stuff. But there's one problem with that. Now, when you go through this information gathering phase, what you don't do is you never implement it. You get to the point where you gathered so much information that you're more than knowledgeable, but then you feel overwhelmed. You feel like there's 15 different strategies to actually implement into your life. And what do you end up doing? Most likely, like me, this happened to me, you don't implement it because you don't know which one to implement. But if you're in this situation like I was just like a couple months ago, or you're in this phase of gathering as much information as you possibly can, you got to take a step back and really look at what you have and think to yourself, which topic or an idea I can actually implement today and take action on. Because gathering information versus actually taking action are two way different things. You might think that you're taking action on learning the information, but that's not important. It's about taking action towards getting the result you're looking for. Because when you're gathering the information, you're looking for a certain solution to your problem, but you don't actually take the time to realize you have a huge problem and you need to do something now to take care of it. So I hope you guys understand that there's a huge gap between actually learning all this information versus going out and implementing it. So think about that. Look at everything you've been trying to learn because of this certain problem you've had in your life or certain situation, and decide that today, right now, after this video ends in a minute or so, that you're going to take action on one thing. And if it doesn't work, then you're going to cross it off and take action on a different thing. And you're going to keep going down the list until you find something that works. But you're taking action, and that's all that matters. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Video number 29. I'm so excited I'm already here. I mean, I don't know who actually watches these, but if you've watched every single one, I really commend you, and I'm so happy that I can give this value to you guys every single day for the next year. So thank you again for watching. Go on to my blog, SeanCamella.com. Have a couple different things there. I post these videos there as well, obviously on YouTube and Facebook. But anyways, share this with a friend, because like I always say, if this made a difference, I did my job. And I will see you guys in video number 30.